Hey guys, build competition car. So now we're going to go over the exterior on the 1972 Cadillac Fleetwood factory limo. This is 21,000 miles. The car is in amazing condition. This is an unrestored, original preserved car. And I know a lot of you guys don't like tinted windows on classic cars. I think that the tint on this limo looks absolutely perfection. It should be on there, in my opinion. If you don't like it, it can be easily taken off. It's not a big deal. So I've heard people say, oh, you should have took the tint off, would have brought more money. I don't see how that's the case, because tint is removable. Now, I'm looking at the video, and the color of this car looks slightly different through the camera as it does in person. There's a little more shade of, I don't want to say green, but maybe a little green. But what we're doing now is just looking around the car one time so we can see how nice it looks. There are very few, little to no flaws or imperfections. Again, it was very nicely preserved. I'm very impressed with the bright work and all the chrome. There's a couple little touch-ups I did. I'm gonna go around and try to find them. We did paint correct it. We look at the hood, look how nice that looks. So there was a couple chips that were touched up there, very minor. There was a couple here. The actual color matched really beautifully. You can see a couple of spots there that were touched up, but look how nice the paint looks. Again, this is original paint. Look at the touch that. Look at the chrome around the headlights, how everything looks still so new and so fresh. A couple of spots that were touched up there, minimal there. That needs to be touched up, one small spot there, I missed that. But you can see the car is just nice. There was a couple chips on the fender that touched up. Oh, here, right there. When you're standing right here, which I'm maybe 4 feet away, maybe, you can't even see them. They're all pretty much undetectable. There's a hard top. I'm being told that it came as a hard top. Again, there's no evidence of any repaint, although there is like a clouded area right here. I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but right there you can see like a little cloudy area. And I'm not so sure that's not from the factory, to be honest with you. I've seen some of that before in this original paint. But look at that laser straight body. It's got the correct BFG bias ply looking tires. I think those are reproductions. They have the look, but it looks like they had a 22 production date, if I read that right. There's Christian, the master. Come on, Chris. That's my undercarriage and engine bay guy. So when you see these amazing undercarriages, that's the man who's responsible for that.
Not really dressed to impress today, but
well, that's all right. We're here to work, it's not a fashion show. But look at that, how nice the chrome looks. I mean, it's a really nice car. Me and Christian were both very impressed with this car. So check it out. This will be on Bring a Trailer soon. The next video, we're going to open the trunk and the hood. We already got the hood. We're going to open the trunk and the doors and show you the interior as well. It's got a really neat interior. So any questions, put them in the comment section. Bid all you can when the car goes live on BAT. We're gonna bring it to sell. I don't know what the damn thing's worth. I bought it with a package with another car, so we're gonna see what it does. But we are always putting very aggressive reserves, and we don't mind dropping them at the end to get the car sold. So any questions, guys? Like I said, fire away. I'm right here for you. Hope you're enjoying these cars, and hope you enjoy my videos. Have a great day.